Alright, so our cab, the back side of our cab is, yeah, I sanded it a little bit. It still ain't the greatest, is it? So, what we're gonna do, I think we're gonna do some liquid green stuff. What is liquid green stuff? Well, listen, it's stuff, and it's green. And we need to have our water and our stuff out here. We're going to take number 17 blade. Let's see what we can get out of the liquid green stuff. I don't know if we can even do this. Let's get a little more water. You can use a paintbrush. But I've had my liquid green stuff for many years, though, so it's, you got enough use in it. Let's get some water down in there. Let's take some out like that. Ooh. I want it more liquid than that. Yeah, I want it a little more liquid than what we're seeing. And I could take a brush. Okay, it's getting down there. All right, now let's go ahead and get some green stuff out, right? Take a number 17 blade, get our liquid green stuff. Let's take some of this wet stuff right here, kind of like that. All right. See what we got. Okay, we're going to take some liquid green stuff, and we're going to go like that. I've already sanded this, and we're going to take some liquid green stuff and put them on there. And then we're going to take them again, a little more liquid green stuff. We're going to put them over here. I don't even know if this backside's supposed to... Oh, it's not smooth. I mean, it is sort of lumpy. Now, what are we going to do up here? There's definitely a seam there. But there is a ridge that falls all the way across. I think we could save that. We could keep that. If we kept our liquid green stuff, let's see if we can take a finger. What if we can do this with a finger? I don't know. I'm trying to take a touch of water. Touch just the water. Oh, you went like this and took them with our finger, and then we went across until it was nice and smooth. Well, let's flip it around. Is it that smooth? Is it really smooth? Oh yeah. I think liquid green stuff has done exactly what I wanted it to do. There it is. That's going to be decent. There we go. Thank goodness we had some liquid green stuff on hand and took care of business.